how this is what can lower your blood pressure and possibly heal a bunch of other health problems. Coming right up. Hey, I'm Dr. Livingood, and today we are talking celery. Oh, celery. It's so simple. We usually just ate it as kids with ants on the log, but then other than that, it was just known to have more fiber and actually reduce the amount of calories that you eat in your body because it just takes a bunch of energy to process it and didn't have a lot of nutrients, and we didn't really know why we were eating it except in relish trays. But this little green stalk right here has got a lot of powerful benefits. If you are struggling with blood pressure right now, pay attention to this one, but a lot of other health issues that I'll get into in a moment. But I want to show you 3 ways that celery and celery juice can lower your blood pressure. So Cleveland Clinic did a study a couple of years ago actually showing that celery has some superfood properties. It contains phytochemicals, one called NBP, and NBP has been shown to lower blood pressure levels. Very powerful against blood pressure. Celery also contains high amounts of magnesium, high amounts of potassium. Magnesium can lower your blood pressure up to a couple of points when taken over time. Potassium is really good for pulling fluid off of your body. So if you're taking a blood pressure drug, that is good news for you. You don't have to throw the blood pressure drug out, but if you can start doing stuff like this on a day in, day out basis, and celery costs like $2 to buy, why not give this a try to see if you can maybe lower your medication or potentially fix your problem? Who knows? From a potassium perspective, if you are taking a water retention pill, then you would want to get more potassium in to level out the sodium and potassium balance inside of your body. That especially kind of builds up the fluid in the extremities. So juicing is a really good way to start remedying that over time. So if you're a juicer, not a juicer, just pay attention to this. You can certainly eat celery, but what we're starting to understand is if you can juice it, it unlocks some of the salts that are in it, the minerals that are in it from potassium, magnesium, and then it helps with the stomach acid to help bloating and allow your digestive system to calm down. It's a very powerful supporter of the nervous system, most important system in your body, by the way, and it lowers the blood pressure. So, had this tested out on a clinical setting. A lot of patients already using this. Blood pressure's going down. Had a couple people had their blood pressure go too low. So make sure you watch that. Good problem to have, especially if you're trying to overcome this. But let's juice it. So I'm gonna run it through this. It's as easy as this. You're buying stalks of celery. This is a big one. This is a little guy. I like to get the bigger ones and try to find those. Get it natural, organic as much as I can because you get a lot more juice out of this. And then if you need an alternative for juicing it, you don't have a juicer, that's a problem we run into, check out one of my other videos and I'll show you how you can actually blend this to do it. But today we're juicing. This is breakfast for me today, honestly. So here we go. Ready? Let's run this through. It's as simple as this. Fire it up. And there it is. Blood pressure juice. So this alone is not going to be the only thing you would do to try to natural remedy blood pressure. You can check out other videos of mine to give you a whole list of secrets that you can use in herbs and foods that are very powerful at controlling your blood pressure. But this little guy, maybe 10 to 20 ounces in the morning time, if you're dealing with blood pressure issues, if you're dealing with acid reflux issues, which oftentimes can go hand in hand with heart patients, or just a lot of bloating going on, maybe constipation, digestive problems, this is a really good remedy for that. So your options for the juice is just to make it in the morning. You could potentially make it the night before. I wouldn't make it much further than that. And you can either have it over ice or just straight up. And then you probably don't want to put too much in it. Occasionally I'll put in my greens powder because it is loaded with 54 different superfoods in it. So if I can get extra inflammatories, I'm going for it. But just with this, it actually tastes really good. Some people might not be able to stomach it. If you can't, then add the greens powder to it and make it taste delicious. But otherwise, give it a try. Blood pressure's going down, bottoms up. Check out the videos next to me. They're exactly what you need as next steps to experience real health. If it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button. Be a part of the Dr. Livingood community as we all get healthy together. I also give free guides, free links and resources, links to our web classes, a lot of resources to help guide you along this journey to help you experience real health. See you again soon.